Lecture 12, Final Practice, a task you will use in real life. Today's lecture is about choosing one real, meaningful task and using Claude to help you complete it from start to finish. The goal is not perfection, it's practice with purpose. You will combine everything you have learned and walk away with something you can actually use: an email, a summary, a plan, or a study aid tailored to your life. You will learn how to complete a real life task using Claude, from writing to organizing or summarizing by applying the skills we have built over the course. You will also practice evaluating Claude's response, editing the output, and making it your own. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to choose a real life task where Claude can be helpful. Use strong, clear prompts to guide Claude's support. Apply editing and judgment to shape the final result. Reflect on the value and limitations of AI support in practical situations. Pick something real. Start by thinking about what you actually need help with right now. It could be a professional email you have been putting off, a study guide for an upcoming test, a short article or note you'll need to write, a plan for an assignment, project, or personal goal, a summary of a reading for your class. Create a clear prompt. Once you know your task, write a strong prompt. Use everything you have learned. Be specific about what you want. Write, summarize, organize, etc. Include tone, format, word count, or audience if needed. Paste content Claude needs to work with. For example, a paragraph or topic list. Write a 100-word professional email to my professor, asking for a meeting to discuss feedback on my last assignment. Keep it polite and clear. Or summarize this 2-paragraph article into 3 key points for a class discussion. Then paste the article. Or help me break down my final research project into 5 steps and create a weekly checklist. This is your final practice. Aim for clarity and purpose. Review, revise, and reflect. Once Claude gives you a response, don't just accept it. Look closely. Is the tone right? Is the content accurate or helpful? Would you be proud to send or submit it? Make changes to personalize it, strengthen the wording, or correct any weak spots. This step is where you bring the human judgment AI can't replace. After you revise, take a step back and ask, did Claude help me get started? Did it save me time or improve my thinking? Would I use it again for similar tasks? This self-awareness is what makes you a skilled, responsible AI user. Not just someone who knows how to prompt, but someone who knows when and why.